Oppo has silently launched its new 5G phone under A series in Malaysia called Oppo A5i Pro. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A5i Pro 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A5i Pro 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.71 by 76.24 by 8mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A5i Pro 5G has been priced in Malaysia at 799 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for purchase in the country in breeze blue and midnight purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A5i Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.